Welcome to our journey into the heart of the Odisha cultural and historical heritage. Today, you explore the ancient Shakti Pit of Goddess Bhubaneswari, situated in the picturesque village of Kolabira, just 16 kilometers from Jharsuguda district. The temple of Goddess Bhubaneswari, an ancient Shakti Pit, is a symbol of devotion, history, and culture, worshipped as the presiding deity of the region. This temple is steeped in legends and stories of valor and devotion. Kolabira's history dates back to the 12th century when the Kol tribal communities first settled here. Over the years, the region witnessed the intense clashes such as the battles between the Kol and the Gond tribes. By the 16th century, King Balaram Dev of the Chauhan dynasty brought the Kolabira under the Sambalpur kingdom, further enriching its cultural legacy. The idol of Goddess Bhubaneswari was originally worshipped near the ancient Bhogragarh fort, which was later destroyed by natural calamities. During the reign of King Jain Singh of Sambalpur, the idol was relocated to Kolabira fort, where the present-day temple was constructed. The Kolabira Jamindari was established in 1785 by Sansadar Singh, who played a vital role in rescuing Queen Rahas Kumari. Over the time, the Jamindaris became the protectors of the temple, ensuring its worship and management. The temple is a hub of vibrant festivals like Sharadiya Durga Puja and the Bali Jatra, celebrated during the Ashwin month. The devotees far gather to witness the lighting of the Akhanda Deepa and participate in the Ranjita festival, keeping the Chauhan dynasty's tradition alive. Standing 30 feet tall, the temple is home to the several deities, including the Dakshin Kali, Bhairava, and Bhairavi. The construction of the temple was undertaken during the reign of Ghanshyam Singh, the Jamindar of Kolabira. Today, the temple's maintenance relies on the collective efforts of villagers and the administration. Despite the end of Jamindari rules in 1956, the temple of Goddess Bhubaneswari continues to thrive due to the unwavering dedication of the villagers. Today, the infrastructure of the temple and the celebration of the festival are made possible through the joint efforts of the administration and the local people. Reaching the Kolabira is easy, just 16 kilometers from Jharsuguda. You can catch a bus from Jharsuguda bus stand or rent a vehicle. The journey is a serene as the destination. The temple of Goddess Bhubaneswari is not just a place of worship but a testament to the rich history and culture of Odisha. Plan your visit to experience its spiritual aura and historical significance.